Hello, if you don't know, I am Rachel, and I'm going to do a little video with all of the puppies today. They are 5 weeks, so I thought I would do a video while I do their handling, and you'll get to see everybody, talk about everybody a little bit. This is our green collar boy Makers. Let's see if I can get it to focus on him. There we go. He is beautiful. Turn him around. He is also, he's like, what are you doing? Our biggest boy. With the introduction of puppy mush and food a little over a week ago, they have been eating to their heart's content, and he's a chubby little boy. He is so far showing signs of, he loves to play. He starts playing with the siblings. He was napping. He's like, I'm not playing right now. But we will start with his handling. I cover his eyes. Rub his nose. Get my fingers in his mouth, as you need to be able to see in there. Check his teeth. Tug on his ears a little bit. Not harsh or anything, but they're going to be touched when they go home for one reason or another. On his collar. Rub our hands down his back. Give his tail a little tug. And then I roll them over. Hey. Rub of the belly. And tap on the toes. In just a couple days, I'm going to start getting them used to the vibration of a nail Dremel. I already clip them every few days, so they're getting used to that already, but we'll introduce the Dremel. So this is Makers. We'll move on to our next. All right, we went from our biggest boy to our biggest girl. Hi. This is Holly. She is a little snuggle machine. She is so fluffy. Here, I'm gonna pop my head out so it focuses on her. Look at this. So cute. Huh, Holly? You can look at her coat back here. She's gonna be fluffy like her mama. Huh. So I'll do her 10 steps too. My fingers in her mouth. Yeah. Pull out her tail. So I wish I have all the notes on my phone of how much everybody weighs right now, but I'm using it to record, so I can't really share. I can try to go off memory, but my big boy Makers is coming in just over 7 pounds at 5 weeks. So he might be a little bigger than my weight range. We'll see. It could also just be an initial plump from everyone getting lots of food. So yeah, look at this big belly. She is so snuggly. Huh. Huh. All right, so this was Holly. This is Venice, our pink collar girl. She is our next biggest girl. I want to say she was 6.5 pounds maybe. No, 6 pounds. If that. They're a couple pounds smaller than the boys, so she might be almost 6 pounds maybe. I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't have that information on a piece of paper. That would have been handy. But ear tug, ear tug, collar tug. It's also going to be important for you guys who are getting puppies to continue to do the handling steps after they go home. Because just because they were done for the first 8 weeks doesn't mean that it's going to stick with them for life or anything. It needs to be something that is continued. So they are all going to get bum trims and eye trims here probably in the next day or two, because some of them are starting to get a little in front of the eyes. She's like, why are you making me do that? There we go. Hi. Yes. Oh. This one loves the kids. She is always up on somebody's lap, on somebody's feet. So that could change, but I don't know, it's staying pretty consistent, her enjoyment of the kids. So looks like we're just working, oh, lost it over. Looks like we're just working down in size on our girls. This is Bobbin. She is our little apricot. I've got to get my hand out here so it focuses on her. Apricot party girl. Her hair is coming in nice and fluffy too. So she's our purple collar. I'm gonna turn around so you can see all of her. She's got a nice amount of color on her. But we'll do her handling. So we have temperament tests scheduled for December 7th. I'm getting, hopefully I'll have new internet by then. We don't have great internet, and so it takes a really long time for videos and stuff to load. So we're gonna record temperament tests and do their scorecards, and then once I have those put together, I'm going to open picks, hopefully on December 9th. And so people can start choosing their puppies in order of reservations. Yeah, and so mostly that'll happen virtually, but as you guys can see, you get to see them lots, and so by the time that happens, you'll have lots of information. And then Go Home starts happening December 17th through the 25th. We'll schedule it because I know that's a busy week for a lot of people, so we can get it figured out. We still have 5 spots left, so as they get older and fluffier, I'm sure those are going to start filling up real quick. Just message me if you'd like an application or if you're interested in chatting more. All right, I'm going to grab Tilly, our smallest. Okay. This is Tilly. She's like, I don't know where to look. Hey. Hi, Tilly. Yeah. So she is, sorry, my daughter's down over here letting the puppies lick her face. That is not my personal preference. I know some people love puppy licks in the face. I am not one of those people. So Tilly is our smallest girl. It's not surprising. Dad has a full sibling that's at least 10 pounds smaller than he is. So she'll probably be pretty petite. And so she's a nice dark red. Hold on. She's got some white up here. And her mouth, they're all getting pretty used to this. I'm gonna check for bites, see how they're coming in. Everything is still movable at this point. Tug on her ears, her collar, go down her back and her tail, put her on her back. Hey, what you think? Nail taps. And she's done. Ah. All right, and this is Blanton. I got it right this time. He is a handsome little boy with a brown nose, and he's got a nice white patch on his chest here. I'll move so it'll focus. And a nice coat, tipped toes. He's used to all the handling too. Huh. I still don't understand why we're still waiting on, he's got all of his upper teeth and his bottom teeth are right there, but they haven't poked through yet. But just a couple more days and that will happen. Oh, where's his collar? His collar must have gotten forgotten when we were doing baths yesterday, after baths. Anyway, it blends right in, so it's easy to notice when, not see when it's missing. Toe taps, toe taps. Hi, hello, sir. This is my favorite part. I get to see right in your eyeballs. Yeah. Do another look right in the camera for everybody else. You sweetie pie. I know. All right, and last but not least is Woodford. He is dark red with a nice big white patch on his chest. Oh, super fluffy fella. Huh. He's so mellow. Both him and Blanton are just chill. Sleepy guys. Oh, nope. Let me in. Oh, no bottom teeth still. See the top. You got all your top. They're right coming through. Yep. Ear tugs. And then collar tug. I'll loosen this one. It's a little tight. When I do this, it's a good time to check for that kind of thing. I don't want them getting collars on that are too tight. Tail tug. All right. And when we do our temperament tests on the 7th, I'll get to learn lots of things about the puppies. Like they're all used to kids, right? But not everyone is gonna love to be handled by kids. They'll just tolerate it. And so we will have all that information. Know how suitable each puppy is for each circumstance. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, so Woodford, I'll move out of this so it'll focus on his face. Another brown nose guy, so his eyes are gonna be on the lighter side when they are at their final destination. That doesn't really work, but we'll go with it because nothing else is coming to mind. So yeah, send me a message if you want to get on their list. We could talk about it.